Hello guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Shopkins cool fridge. So yeah, let's dig in to it. So this is really cool. I cannot believe I got this. You're going to be seeing some more Shopkins vending machine and Shopkins blind bags, because I actually just went to Toys R Us and found a whole bunch of blind bags, which me and my friend were there, so yeah, there aren't any more there. So here it is. So I get all this. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that. God, this is like impossible to get out. Whoops. Sorry guys. Oh my god, everything's falling. I'm trying to do it. I should have done this off camera so you guys don't have to deal with me tearing through it. Oh my god, are those little metal things? Ow! I'm gonna cut this huge little knot. They do not make this thing easy to get into. Probably because I don't want people to steal it. Watch them. I got so much garbage now. Oh! No goobies. Okay. So, Shopkins packaging is officially the hardest to get in. So much. There we go. And getting closer to opening. I'm just trying to get off the tape right now because I don't want like stuff to just go flying out. So here it is. I got still a whole bunch. Ooh, I like it. Here's the so cool fridge, so it's gonna be able to close. Oh, wow! Oh, nice! It just came right out. There's a little thingy. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh, push and drop. This is so cool. Whee. Ah! Uh-oh. Shopkins. So this comes with 2 exclusives and a little exclusive Googie Shopkins, I think. They're like Googie's relatives. They're little eggs. And you get so many little eggs. You get 6 of the eggs. Ah! They're coming out. Oh wow, they're so cool. They're actually kind of rubbery. Shopkins. Oh yay! Wow, they feel like rubber actually. They aren't like hard like I imagined. I thought they were like plastic, but they're actually rubbery. Guys are no. So here, 1 minute. You guys just gotta wait 1 more minute for me to get out this. So we got a little soda and looks like a little yogurt, frozen yogurt. Come on, soda. It'll be Soda Sally. And this looks like ice cream. And their clips will. Ooh. Hello. Here they are. Here's the little soda. And here is the little yogurt thingy. Okay, so we still have more packaging to get out. You guys should at least look at the refrigerator. This is super cool, guys. I think sorry, this is the first video. Shopkins down! I am never gonna get this thing open. Sorry. I'm a little just so there. You guys, here's Googie's little. I'm just ripping this box open. I'm getting so sick. So, oh wow, there's a little tuna fish. It comes with a whole bunch of stickers. Ooh, and here's a little cup that goes through the ice machine. And if you press, little thingy comes with Shopkins flying bags and stickers. Okay. Now we have garbage. What? No, this garbage can be fit. There you go. I only have a box. Okay, so. Okay. We now have this. So here we go. Sorry. Hello, guys. So in this, these little guys will. But who wants to be our model? Where'd the cup go? Well, it's a liquid, so you know. Yay! So little soda. Soda's gonna go. We're gonna close that freezer. Wow! I'm sorry. It's okay. Where's it? So. Oh, look what we have in our cup. It is the soda. So here's a little cute soda. And then we have the cute little yogurt. And we'll take one of the little goodies. They're cute. You can roll. Googie. Go Googie. And then this opens. This does open. So, oh, and let's just pop you guys here. Thank you. Wait, it's our shopping bags. Okay, I guess shopping bags can go in the refrigerator. We're gonna close it up and put the ice cube in, and you can decorate it with all these fun little Shopkins. Little grocery list there. We're gonna find little Shopkins and all these little stickers. So yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed and prepare for more.